Hello everyone, this is Lance from West Coast Hiking Trails, and today I'm in the Sunol Regional Wilderness heading to a place called Little Yosemite. Now, if some of you have been watching my channel for a while, you know I did this one about 2 years ago when I took a spill in a water crossing and got a few little boo-boos. Today, I don't anticipate that happening. I'm not going to let it happen, but let's check this place out once again. As soon as we get down this trail a little further, I'm going to take this choker off. There's not many people on the trail. I'm not going to wear the mask, but I'll keep my distance. Okay, I just came up a really steep section. I gotta catch my breath. The first part of this trail is pretty steep, maybe for a quarter mile, but I think then we get into the rolling hills. Whew. I think I know which way to go. That way. The sign told me. Alright, I'm going to stop here for a few minutes, have some water, eat a Cliff Bar, enjoy the shade, and enjoy the sights. I'll be back on the trail in just a few minutes. Okay, I'm back on the trail, but I've been hearing sirens, sounds like fire trucks, ambulance. And I am now hearing a helicopter come in from somewhere over there. Now I know Little Yosemite is kind of a dangerous place for rock scrambling, slippery rocks. Everybody wants to get down to see the water. I just hope somebody hasn't hurt themselves, and that's life flight coming in to get them out. We'll see. I do have a bad feeling about that. Life flight is circling the Little Yosemite area. Hope it's not too serious. The life flight helicopter just left without landing or picking anybody up. So hopefully that means it's not that critical, and the firefighters and the ambulance are able to take them out. Cool trail though, isn't it? Very pretty. All right, did you see all those wild cows back there? Got me wondering, what do cows moo in other languages? You know, a cow moved in French. Would it be le moo? What about German? Would it be moo? But I know in English, or here in America, the cows go, Big Mac. Okay, Little Yosemite is just down there.